morning, fourth graders. Okay, today we're going to go on a little exploration to the San Diego Zoo. Okay, so we're in the animals tab right here. So once you, in your Google Classroom, you're going to click on the link and it's going to bring you here. And you are going to pick an animal that you want to read and learn a little bit more about. Okay, you can pick any one of these animals. Okay, there are a lot of them. Okay, so once you click on one, let's say I want to learn about flamingos, it will bring you to this page. Okay, and then you're going to read all about it. It's going to say, you know, what kind of animal it is, where that it's found, all that kind of stuff. It's going to tell you its size, what it eats, habitat, and then there's just going to be a reading. You just need to read up about your animal, and then when you get done, back in your Google Classroom, you're going to answer 2 questions to me. You're going to tell me what's one thing you thought was very interesting about this animal, maybe something that you didn't know. And then the second question is, what's one thing that you want to learn more about this animal? Okay? And once you have that done, you are done with this assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.